This is Ponder Qwan, the writer Qwan Nubian, wishing you peace and tranquility over you and all of your houses. I am trusting and knowing that I'm finding you all in a healthy mind, body, and spirit. Welcome to the weekend. This is the first day of summer, so they say. And let's usher it in appropriately. Yes, yes. I wanted to share with you poetry from my personal collection. This is something from 1999, September 7th, 1999, and it's entitled Perfect Songbird. And if I remember correctly, I wrote this because I was noticing at that time a pattern, not just in what I was doing in this poem, but in my life at the time in general. So I'm going to share this with you, and I'll leave it open to your own interpretation and see if it resonates with you. Perfect Songbird. I can't seem to let a song finish, you know? I'll play that damn song almost to the end. We'll press the rewind button 3 seconds to spare before it's finished. I hate to have such a good time end. I want it to last as long as it can. Now that old fast forward, that works fine for me. Get through all the bullshit fast as can be. Keep on pressing till I find the right song that suits my mood at the time. Or at least find someone who will sing that special song to me. Perfect Songbird. Yeah. I kept pressing that rewind button because I don't want to see a good thing end. Or what I thought was a good thing. Or I'll fast forward. I keep rushing, jumping ahead to what I think the end game is, and not appreciating the process. Or at least allowing what is supposed to come to me that was made just for me to come to me. But I've learned, and here I am in peace. I hope it resonates with you. I love you. I'd be on longer, but I'm not long-winded, and I got things to do. So do you. Be peace. Love on each other. Onward and upward always in all things. Peace.